I'm Lisa Hansen, founder of Growing Brilliant. Are you a work from home or a stay-at-home parent looking to educate your child while they're with you? Well, we have the perfect program for you, and I'd love to tell you more about it. I'm an at-home parent too, so I understand all that you have on your plate. Let us handle the educational aspect while you balance the rest. At-home parents use us to accomplish the developmental goals they have for their children. You see, we work on your child's intellectual, social, and emotional development. Think of us as your educational partner. Let me tell you a little bit about how Growing Brilliant's program fits into my own routine on the days I'm home with my daughter. So we wake up in the morning, she gets ready, we have breakfast, play for a little bit, sometimes we go outside, and then we get settled for class. So it's a perfect time. She's starting to get a little bit restless, and instead of putting on YouTube or another screen, we're ready for a class and an educational experience. So once we log on to class, her teacher greets her by name and she's able to interact with hands-on activities and other students. I can rest assured knowing that she's getting the intellectual, social, and emotional development that she needs. We touch on so many important academic concepts such as math, early literacy, vocabulary building, science, and so much more. But the best part is it's done all in an age-appropriate way through hands-on activities. So the idea is that they have so much fun doing the hands-on activities that they don't even know that they're learning all these important subjects. Our curriculum was developed in-house based on our award-winning in-person preschools. We've been educating children for over 11 years. We understand that young children learn best through hands-on activities. That's why our classes incorporate things like Play-Doh, arts and crafts, music and movement, and so much more. I know my own daughter loves our classes. If you're an at-home parent like myself, you have to give Growing Brilliant a try. Check out a free trial class and see how we can easily fit into your daily routine and become your educational partner.